Darling, we giving custom salmon vibes on a Amazon budget. This is a 30-inch HD lace 613. What was cute, but I needed a little color. So I used Kiss colors in a funky yellow and a salmon to create this soft sun-kissed fantasy. Affordable, never looked so luxurious, baby. Stick around to see how I slay this transformation step by step, because this wig is giving expensive and we only paid a penny. Hello, Bookie Buds. How are y'all doing? Coming in hot with a funky yellow and a salmon color. We have a 613. You already know the wig is from Alumbo, whatever the name is, baby. It's from Amazon and she was for the low. Do you understand me? So jumping right into this color, y'all. We are going in first with a shimmer lights. You know we got to knock off that yellow temptation, because when these wigs come from these companies, baby, they allow any and everything of whatever they be doing behind in this little factory back here. Sometimes they have overprocessed on the end, sometimes it's over processed in the middle, sometimes it's over processed at the top. Baby, these companies be doing they wrong big one. Do you understand you? So it's always good to get that yellow temptation and take care of that wig once you get it in your possession. Okay, so that's what I'm doing at this moment, y'all. I'm taking the yellow temptation out of this wig and we're giving straight body. When it comes to this blonde, it's gonna be bodied. Enough said. So jumping right into this funky yellow, y'all, make sure you have any type of whisk, brush, whatever you need to make sure this color gets on this wig the way it's supposed to get on this wig. We ain't trying to have no lumps, no bumps, no humps in this wig. We're gonna make sure that we get it all out. So make sure you get that whisk, make sure you whisk it really, really good. Mix it like you messing some mashed potatoes, some mac and cheese, whatever you need, baby, put that wrist to work. Okay, so once you do that, now it's time to go ahead and dip your wig inside. Me personally, I do the top with the yellow, because like I said, I have not had yellow in a while at the top, y'all. And yellow, for some reason, it makes the color of me pop. Okay, it makes this melanin skin pop. Okay, so that's why I love when I do the yellow at the top, period. And plus I had just got done with pink, so I wasn't gonna do a back-to-back pink on top anyways. So as you see, you guys, I am taking it in the water, I'm washing, I'm putting it through and through, like I'm making sure it's getting every strand of that wig. Then I take it to the side and I brush it and comb it out and repeat the process to get it to look like this. Do you understand you? You want to make sure that color is through and through. Try not to let it bleed down, because if you let it bleed down on top of the other color that you're trying to achieve, it will make a mixture, okay? Two colors mixed together make another color. Get it together. So the last step, which is salmon that we're using, is pretty much self-explanatory, y'all. We're going to literally dip the ends of the bottom of the wig into this color, period. So keep on watching, y'all, and I will see you in a few. Enjoy this music. If you have not gave your girl a thumbs up yet, go ahead, because I already know you enjoying this video, boo. Stop waiting. Go and give your girl a thumbs up and give me a comment in the comment section. Yeah. See you in a few, bookies.
I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes, sir. I just flew a bitch in from Manchester. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rester. I'm about to car flexing like Sylvester. No, sir. No, sir. Bitches put up in an I-8 roaster. Trying to cost too much, told that bitch no, sir.
Coming right on into this install, period. Jumping right into it with the Ruby Kisses number 15, y'all. Going around the edge line of my ball cap method, period. We did it off camera because I feel like everybody should know how to do it by now. If not, go watch that last video girl just dropped showing you how to do it. Going around that edge line phenomenally with the Ruby Kisses number 15. We're making sure that we're getting it all around the way so we can make sure we put that wig on. Baby, it look like our scalp. It look like it bled through our scalp, okay? And that's what we're doing. So in the meantime, once we're finished with that, we're gonna put the wig on. We're gonna measure it to our head, to our liking. And once you measure to your head and to your liking, that's when you go in with your 7 layers of glue. Oh my God, did I miss you? Did I lose you? Come back to me. I said 7 layers, I did. And this is the first layer that we're going through. And when we're done with that 7, your girl will show you how it looks. In the meantime, keep on watching, Kabookies, because I love you. After you apply those 7 layers, if it does not look like this, it's wrong. take it off and put it back on. It's wrong. I will take you off and I will put you back on. I will take you off and I will put you back on. I will take you off 15,000 times until I get you in the spot that I want you in. Take your time and make sure you do it thoroughly. When I tell you placing a wig is not easy, it's not easy because you want to make sure that you put it in the right spot. You put it too far back, now you showing your 5 head. You put it too up, now you ain't got no 4 head. Baby, pay attention and do it right. Slow and efficiency is key, period.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll put you on a stretcher. This bitch 5,000.
So once we got that placement, now your girl going in with that hot comb and we making sure we finna melt it all down, okay? We about to melt it all down. Baby, we ain't playing no games after going through that, having to put it back on and put it back off after 15 times, okay? So your girl finna melt this thing onto her scalp. She finna bleed it in. Like a little crocheted it in, needle it in. Yeah, that's what we about to do. After that, we put a band on for like 15 minutes to an hour. Wear it, lay it down.
I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black card, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yes, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yes, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in stage every time, start it go in.
After 15 minutes to an hour, now we're about to go in and we're about to cut it in like 3 to 4 laps with our scissors. And after that, we go in with the eyebrow razor. And baby, we cut it finely. When I say as close to where there's no lace, that's what I mean. I mean as close as possible to you where you have nothing left over. You want to get all that off because I promise you wear any type of makeup or anything, it's gonna bleed through like that. Baby, that lace gonna come up within 2 to 3 days. Like, I'm not kidding you. Get all that extra lace off that's not supposed to be there. Like, even though it's on that wig, that don't mean it's supposed to be there. Everything on there ain't supposed to be on there, okay? It helps a lot when you take everything off that's not supposed to be on a wig because it will make it lay even better, period. It's gonna last even longer. Going in with my Dola hair melting spray, we're gonna take that around the edge line once we cut it in the fine line that we want to cut it in. Once we do all that, y'all, we're gonna go around our edge line and we're gonna do this twice. Make sure you take your finger, you spray it on your finger, and you go around that edge line as close as possible as you getting it on the lace, not on your skin, on the lace, okay? So once you do that, you tie the band down for 15 minutes and you start the process over again for a second round. Once you do both of those, your girl goes in with some Fantasia spritz, some Eben spray, some Got to Be Glued, and I spray around that edge line and then I lay it down again for another 30 minutes. Because baby, we gonna get that wig laid, okay? We gonna get her laid. So keep on watching this process, y'all, and watch how I perfect it. Take notes if you need to, bookies. But like I say, I'm not a professional. I'm a professional. We get the job done, okay? Coming in with these baby hairs, girl, these are not my best friend, okay? When I say, baby, these baby hairs are like my enemy, the gross sisters. I don't know no other way to explain it. We battle it. We go head to head every time when it comes to this baby hairs. Like I say, I don't like mine in the professional way that everybody else does. There's like a professional. Me personally, I do mine the way that in the temple where I can literally do different styles anytime I want. I feel like doing that baby hair where it's literally, you know, on that side. I feel like you basically setting yourself up for that one style and your girl do multiple. We're not going for that. So just watch your girl and how she tweak her little baby hairs, you hear me? And keep on watching.
I'm keeping it real. That nigga gave me his heart. That's when I gave him some head. That's when he gave me his card. I was feeling low on my bed. Ain't nothing like a choice. He gave me his heart. That's when I gave him some nothing like a choice. He gave me his card. I was fucking on that nothing like. That nigga gave me his nothing like. That's when I gave him some nothing like. That's when he gave me his nothing like. I was fucking on that nasty.
I said be very, very friendly when it comes to this phone, because baby, it helps and it goes a long way. Do you understand? You're gonna need that or some spritz, Fantasia spritz, to lay it down. Whichever way you prefer. I prefer the phone because it gives it the job done right then. The spray, I mean, it can dry. I don't know. Me personally, I just do the foam. Everybody else, I see difference when people do different things. You feel what I'm saying? It's to each his own, whichever one you prefer. That's why I say take your time and see your craft. See how you did it. Record yourself. See where you messed up. So you're able to go back and see where you can fix it at and where you will not do the same mistake like you did last time, period. So now that we got the baby hairs laid down and in the placement that we want, I'm finna blow dry it and then put my band back on for another 15 minutes before your girl gets to styling. You hear you? And once we jump into the styling, your girl gonna do a straight part, period. We do the C on top of the head, but it's gonna be straight all the time. Like literally, no lie. Every install, right after I install, she's gonna be no makeup and she's gonna be straight. Cause T, I need to see how you look straight. I need to see how that color falling, and period. I just love it to give the straightness. It's, you know, I like to give it its time. Cause once you start curling, it's a wrap. We don't go back. So I need to go ahead and get my wear and tear when it comes to this straightness, and I love to do it without makeup because that lace will get dirty real quick. I love to keep my lace as clean as possible and as long as possible, okay? So keep on watching as your girl style this wig, and I will see you in a minute.
Inside each other, drifting through the sweet melody. Love, yeah, I love the...
You know, I see. Let this mat pull out this. Hold on.
So this wig basically was from a little boom. Girl, I cannot get the name. Just look at the front and get the details when I drop the link in the description box. But this wig was very cute, very phenomenal. The length was true. Everything was perfect. I love, love, love this wig. Very none to less shedding. Baby, she is affordable and a go-to. See you in the next video.